Hey everyone, this is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, and welcome back to Ham Shack Renovation Update number 4. And today we got a lot of work done on the shack, so let's go inside and check it out.
No, stop it. Stop it.
We did have an issue with the hex beam today too, by the way. We had our first windstorm and it looks like one of the U-bolts was a little loose. So the hex beam actually spun 180 degrees. Funny enough, the guy who's doing the renovations on the shack was able to go up there and fix it. Call it jack of all trades. So, by the way, Missy's here.
Hey.
All right, so yeah, we're getting the walls painted today. We actually called an audible on the colors of the walls. We went with a darker gray color. We're getting fancy LED lights for the shack as well. So that will cut down on the noise from the lights. We're getting baseboards put in tomorrow. The window trims are going in tomorrow. But Chris painted the ceiling. Looks like he may have to put another coat on the ceiling. We're getting the LED lights. The workbench is all covered up, ready to get taken care of. And yeah, we're all basically ready to go here pretty soon. My desk is over there. So I guess I'm not operating tonight unless I put one of the folding tables out, but I could come in here and set up for a little while tonight if I wanted to. And yeah, this is the shack today. And actually Missy's in offering her input. So she actually came in and changed the paint on us because we were gonna go white, and she said, no, it won't look good white, which is probably the right call. So the floor goes in tomorrow, I think, too. So lots of stuff happening. What's that on your face? Hey, were you eating drywall dust again? Archie, look at me. What are you doing? There you have it. Day number 4 of the shack renovations. The paint's up, the lights are going up tomorrow. So yeah, pretty much, I love this garage. I actually love this garage door for the shack too, because then we can open it up in the summertime and get some airflow. We got new windows coming in. Yeah, so lots happening. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Thanks for tuning in to our shack renovations here from a beautiful St. Antoine, New Brunswick. We'll see y'all later. 7 threes.